Let's do a couple of guided practice problems. We're going to write the limit expression and then evaluate it, right, using Riemann sums, okay? So the area is going to be the limit as n approaches infinity of the sum from 1 to n of 3 times xi plus 6, right? Now, what is that? Well, that's going to be the limit as n approaches infinity of the sum from I equals 1 to n of 3 times 4 plus delta x, which is, I should say, I times delta x times delta x, right? How did I get delta x? Well, 7 minus 4 equals 3. Okay? And we're just going to multiply this out, FOIL it out, factor, etc., do all the stuff, okay? So we just do this out, and we're going to wind up getting, well, let's see, we get 12 here and then 18. So we're going to get 18 plus, I guess it's I times 9 over n. And then all of this is multiplied by 3 over n. And we keep going. We just distribute that 3 over n. And we get, is that going to be 54 over n plus I times 27 over n. And then I guess we can just kind of continue this and say this is the limit of the sum of 54 over n plus the limit plus the sum here of, I'll write it in front of the I, right, because we know that we can factor out the I, and we wind up getting, this is going to be 54 over n times n plus 27 over n. Oh, sorry, that should have been an n squared. N squared times n plus 1 all over 2. And this winds up giving us 54 plus 27 over 2. Was that 108 over 2? So I think I'm getting 135 over 2. All right. And then one more. This is maybe a little bit more work. Not terribly, because at least we start at 0. Limit as n approaches infinity of the sum from I equals 1 to n of, and again, it's going to be negative xi squared plus 3. But instead of xi, we're writing, I guess it's going to be 0 plus 2 over n squared, right? Because delta x equals 2 over n. And I guess I should say all of this is times 2 over n. And then this is going to be limit as n approaches infinity of the sum from 1 to n of negative 4 over n squared plus 3. And then this is all times 2 over n. And then we get the sum from 1 to n of negative 8 over n cubed plus 6 over n. I think I forgot my I. I do apologize for that. I times that. I times that. And this is going to be, oh, and then this is actually going to be I squared. I squared. There we go. Sorry about that, guys. All right. And then we get the limit as n approaches infinity of, so let's see if we can sort of reduce stuff at this point, right? We can take out the non-I stuff. And we wind up getting this. And this winds up equaling negative 16 over 6 plus 6, right? Which is negative 8, well, negative 8 over 3 plus, I guess, what's that, 18 over 3, which is 10 thirds.